Hello friends, welcome to InfyGyan. Today we'll be solving one very interesting and challenging rational equation for the real values of x. So let's get started by writing over here denominators cannot be 0. So x cannot be 2, cannot be 3, cannot be 1, cannot be 4. Now we have x times x minus 2, x minus 1 times x minus 3, x minus 2 times x minus 4 and x minus 3 times x minus 5. Let's write x times x minus 2. X can be written as x minus 1 plus 1. X minus 2 is x minus 1 minus 1. If we will assume x minus 1 a and 1 equal to b, then here we have a plus b times a minus b. Using difference of two squares formula, we can write x minus 1 whole square minus 1. So in this place, we can write x minus 1 whole square minus 1. Similarly, x minus 1 times x minus 3 will be equal to x minus 2 plus 1. This is x minus 1 times x minus 2 minus 1. This is x minus 3. Using difference of two squares formula, we can write x minus 2 whole square minus 1. Now we have x minus 2 times x minus 4, which will be equal to x minus 3 whole square minus 1. And in the same way, we can write x minus 3 times x minus 5 will be equal to x minus 4 whole square minus 1. Now we will replace numerators by these expressions. So I will write x minus 1 whole square minus 1 over x minus 1 plus x minus 2 whole square minus 1 over x minus 2 equal to x minus 3 whole square minus 1 over x minus 3 plus x minus 4 whole square minus 1 over x minus 4. Let's divide x minus 1 whole square over x minus 1. X minus 1 minus 1 over x minus 1 plus x minus 2 minus 1 over x minus 2 equal to x minus 3 minus 1 over x minus 3 plus x minus 4 minus 1 over x minus 4. Now we have x plus x, 2x. Here we have 2x. So let's subtract 2x from both the sides. Now we have minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 over x minus 1 minus 1 over x minus 2 in left hand side. In right hand side we have minus 3 minus 4 minus 7 minus 1 over x minus 3 minus 1 over x minus 4. We will add 7 to both sides. So let's add 7 to both sides. We can cancel plus and minus 7. Here 7 minus 3 will become 4. Now we will take these two terms to the right hand side. So in LHS there would be 4. In right hand side we will get 1 over x minus 1 minus 1 over x minus 4. Then we'll write 1 over x minus 2 minus 1 over x minus 3. We'll take LCM. We will get x minus 4 minus x plus 1. So minus 3 will be there in the numerator. In denominator we will multiply x minus 1 with x minus 4 and we'll get x square minus 5x plus 4 plus x minus 3 minus x plus 2 minus 1 over x minus 2 times x minus 3 is x square minus 5x plus 6. Left hand side is 4. Now we can write 4, 5 minus 1, and we can write 6, 5 plus 1. So let me write here minus 3 over x square minus 5x plus 5 minus 1 plus minus 1 over x square minus 5x, 6 is 5 plus 1, and in left hand side there was 4. So we'll write 4. Now we can assume x square minus 5x plus 5. Suppose this is equal to a. So we'll write a over here. So I can write minus 3 over a minus 1 plus minus 1 over a plus 1 equal to 4. Now we'll multiply both sides by negative 1. So let's multiply LHS by negative 1 and RHS by negative 1. So we will get equation minus times minus becomes plus. So 3 over a minus 1 plus 1 over a plus 1 equal to negative 4. We'll take LCM over here. So in denominator there would be a minus 1 times a plus 1, which is a square minus 1. In numerator 3a plus a, we will write 4a. 3 minus 1 we will get 2 equal to negative 4. Now we will take 2 common. So 2 times in the bracket 2a plus 1 over a square minus 1 will be equal to minus 4. We will divide both sides by 2. So we will get right hand side equal to minus 2. So 2a plus 1 over a square minus 1 will be minus 2. 2a plus 1 over a square minus 1 equal to minus 2. Let's cross multiply. We will get 2a plus 1 equal to 2 minus 2a square. By writing all the terms to LHS, we will get 2a square plus 2a minus 1 equal to 0. Now we have one quadratic equation in A. Here capital A is coefficient of small a square 2, capital B is coefficient of small a 2, and C is negative 1. As per formula, we'll write minus b plus minus the square root of b square minus 4 times AC over 2 times A. Let's plug in all the values over here. We will get minus 2 plus minus square root of 4 minus 4 times 2 times minus 1 plus 8 over 2 times 2, 4 will be equal to minus 2 plus minus square root 12 over 4. Square root 12 is 2 root 3. So we will get a equal to minus 2 plus minus 2 square root 3 over 4, or we can write a will be equal to minus 1 plus minus square root 3 over 2. Now we have a, and a was our substitution. X square minus 5x plus 5 we will write over here. X square minus 5x plus 5 equal to minus 1 plus minus square root 3 over 2. Now we will take plus 5 to the right hand side. X square minus 5x will be equal to minus 5 plus minus 1 plus minus square root 3 over 2. Now we will take LCM in right hand side. So minus 10 minus 1 minus 11 plus minus root 3 over 2. In LHS we have x square minus 5x. Now we'll be using completing the square method. So we need to add some constant to both sides. Here we have coefficient of x negative 5, half of negative 5 over 2, square of that 25 over 4. So we will add 25 over 4 to both sides of the equation. Now here we have denominator 2. So we will multiply numerator denominator by 2. Now we have to simplify right hand side first. We will get minus 22 plus minus 2 square root 3 plus 25 in the numerator with denominator 4. And in left hand side, we'll write one perfect square of x minus 5 over 2, which will be equal to 3 plus minus 2 square root 3 over 4. So I can write here both the values separately. So I will write here 3 plus 2 root 3 over 4 with minus sign in between, 3 minus 2 root 3 over 4. Now 2 root 3 is bigger than 3. So this quantity would be negative. And here we have positive value. Left hand side we have one perfect square. Square cannot be negative in real numbers. So we will reject 3 minus 2 root 3 over 4. So I can write x minus 5 over 2 whole square will be 3 plus 2 root 3 over 4. Let me write here x minus 5 over 2 whole square will be equal to 3 plus 2 root 3 over 4. Now we will take square root both sides. So we will put square root sign over here. We will put square root sign over here with plus minus. So square root and square will get over. We will write x minus 5 over 2 equal to plus minus square root of 3 plus 2 root 3, and denominator is square root 4, so we can write 2. Now we will add 5 over 2 to both sides, or we can take minus 5 over 2 to the RHS to get our answer 5 over 2 plus minus square root 3 plus 2 root 3 over 2. Or we can write x will be equal to 5 plus minus square root 3 plus 2 square root 3 over 2. So we have two real values of x which will satisfy our equation. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.